go. It's what happened with this Range Rover. We have this problem, these fault codes with positive contactor. It's a typical problem for this model. And what we do? We disassembled high voltage battery and reprogramming battery control module in bench. And after that, these fault codes possible delayed.
Underneath the car we have this battery. Ай, блядь! Блядь. So here we have our battery. To disassemble this, we have to disconnect these power cables, one pipes, also unscrew a part of exhaust here. Also in this place. Be careful to not damage this connector for valves. This battery built on Samsung SDI cells, nominal capacity. Here we have main relays. It has 7 models, different between Range Rover Sport. It has 8 models like this. So here is our main control module and the reason of malfunction in this car. So next step, we'll disassemble this and reprogram.
Okay, now we have BMS on bench, right ear prone. Make some modification with this flash, and after that test all codes. And now we don't have fault codes with positive counter contactors. Nice, let's go test on car. Car. BMS information. Read fault codes. We don't have fault codes. And go make small test drive. Ho ho ho!